Now I know that you all must be feeling a little bit stressful and anxious because December is nearing and exams are really near. Hello friends, I am CS Jaspreet. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to a bonus video for our CS students who are going to sit for December 2021 exams. Now I know that you all must be feeling a little bit stressful and anxious because December is nearing and exams are really near. That is why I have come up for you a 5-day plan to clear your CS exams in just 30 days. So I will be telling you this plan, but before that, if you're somebody viewing me for the first time, hi, I'm Jaspreet. I make videos for CA, CS, CMA students and members. Feel free to check the content I create. Feel free to hit the subscribe button and the bell icon so that whenever I upload any bonus video, you get notified. Other than that, I post a video on Monday, that is a motivational video, on a tips tricks video on Wednesday, and a fun video on Saturday sharp at 6 p.m. Make sure that you check the content I create and subscribe to my channel. Now, as we all know that December is really near, how can you actually analyze? Now is not the time to look for each and every point, each and every line. Now is the time to look for important points, important topics, scanners, short notes, like wherever things are available to you, whatever things are available to you, just collect them and start studying. And how you can do that? So make a 5-day plan. Now is not the time to make any kind of timetable or any kind of plans for now. Now is the time to execute, right? Plan of action should be there. In just 30 days, how can you clear the exams? I will be telling you. So the 5-day plan suggests that give each subject 5 days and make it happen. So let's start. And you have to start this plan from tomorrow only, that is from Monday, 8th November, and you will see how the plan goes. So in this 5-day plan, starting with the first subject, you will give the first subject first 5 days, that is from 8th November to 12th November. You will study the subject number 1, like whichever subject you feel that this is the most difficult subject, pick it up and study that subject. And from that subject, in these 5 days, you will be studying all the important points. Make sure you're covering the important points, the important topics, the scanners, the repeated questions, whatever are being asked in the past, make sure you're learning them as well, right? And then for the next 5 days, that is from 13th to 17th November, pick the second subject which you feel that, the second difficult subject according to you. Pick that subject and then again the same plan. Because by this now you will be covering just the cream, just the layer, and as I always say, cover the important points, the important topics that help you secure the most, number of marks. And after that, give 2 days for the extra material left. That is, give 18th, 19th to subject number 1 and 20th, 21st to subject number 2 for anything extra or anything miscellaneous that is left behind. By this, you will be covering as much syllabus as you can. And moving ahead, give 22nd to 26th November to subject number 3, that is whichever subject you feel like is on the third number. Give that subject time and priority and study all the important things from that subject. And then from 27th November to 1st December, study the subject number 4, like the subject you feel you know that subject, or your concepts are much more clearer and you find that subject a little bit easier from the other ones. And again, after that, 2nd and 3rd for the miscellaneous or extra things of subject number 3, and 4th and 5th for miscellaneous and other things or extra things for subject number 4. By this, you will be covering major points or major topics in just 28 days. By totaling the number of days of plan I told you, you still have done a lot in just 28 days. 2 days are still there. And for our CS students, the exams are going to be started from 21st December. So you still have a week, you still have a number of days before 21st December in which you can do more subjects as well. So it'll be really helpful for all of you. I would just say that now is the time of action and execution. Just start with your studies. You know what? Festivities have ended. Now is the time to refocus. Now is the time to bring all the concentration back to the studies, and by this you can do so. You can make it in December 2021 attempt by following this 5-day plan. Trust me. And by saying this, I am not saying you to study each and every line, each and every, topic, because now is not the time. Study and find the important topics, important points, important topics from the scanners, short notes, main formulas, and all these things that will help you score more by studying less. So all the best from my side. I hope you clear this time. Follow this 5-day plan to cover as much syllabus as you can to secure good marks and securing a pass this time in December 2021. Video अच्छी लगी, informative लगी तो like कर देना. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you have not done it yet. Make sure you're sharing my videos with your friends as well. Do follow me on Instagram, Twitter, Pinterest and LinkedIn. All the links are in the description box below. So I'll see you in my next. Till then, stay happy, stay blessed and keep the preparations on. Bye.